Now let's see some deductions and important results. The first deduction is this, right? Why is this equal to E? Because we know that as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n whole to the power n, that is equal to E as well. So how do we go from this to this? We substitute. We can substitute n with 1 by x, okay? So x is equal to 1 by n, right? Now substitute this and this in this. But here's the thing. Since now you're writing down n in terms of x, you'll also have to change the limit, right? So the limit must be in terms of x as well. So when n approaches infinity, right, over here, n approaches infinity, x approaches 0, right? Because 1 over infinity is 0. So now you have everything you need. This can be written down as this. This 1 by n is replaced with x. This n is replaced with 1 by x. And the limit is x approaches 0. And this new, we've discussed earlier, approaches e. Okay? Now the second deduction. The second deduction states that the limit e to the power x minus 1 over x as x approaches 0 is equal to log e of e. And that is equal to 1 because when you have a logarithm of any base of the same term as the base, you get 1. So for example, if you have log 10 of 10, that is also equal to 1, right? And the reason for that is because 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10, right? Now, we know that the limit we know that a to the power x minus 1 over x as x approaches 0 is log e of a. We've already proven this earlier, and now we'll use the same logic over here. You can just replace this a over here with e, right? And you get this term over here, right? So now instead of log e of a, you have log e of e. Simple. You get 1. Simple. Now, here are some extra important results you should know about. The limit of e to the power x as x approaches infinity is obviously infinity because any number to the power infinity is just infinity, right? However, e to the power x as x approaches negative infinity is 0 because e to the power negative infinity is just 1 over infinity, right? So basically, e to the power x can be written down as 1 over e to the power minus x, and as x approaches negative infinity over here, it just becomes 1 over e to the power infinity. The negative sign over here and the negative sign over here are multiplied and becomes positive infinity. So 1 over infinity is equal to 0. And this over here, as x approaches positive or negative infinity, in any case, will give you 0, right? And a is any real number, it's just a constant. So yeah,